check all connections. We are 2 minutes from position.
Received. The deck is clear for the operation. We did it! We actually did it!
All lines secured. Control, we are ready for tension.
Copy that. Begin the ascent, slow and steady.
Section here, the corrosion is worse than anticipated.
I agree. The deep scan data confirms significant material loss.
Look at this schematic here. The original tolerances are much tighter than we thought.
Yes, the digital overlay confirms the discrepancy in the actuator assembly.
This section here requires realignment, not full replacement.
Understood. Marking it for repair.
We need a macro shot on this fracture point, scale marker Delta 9.
Confirmed. Adjusting aperture now. Clear on the left. Bring it down slowly.
The corrosion hasn't reached the main servo yet. We might be able to salvage it.
We must hit these milestones before the next phase.
The structural integrity review is understood.
I'm on the upper section now. Okay, I'll clear the base runoff. it is, right at the joint.
That fracture runs deep. We need to isolate this section immediately.
Note the stress patterns on the leading edge of this blade.
Understood. Documenting the structural integrity now.
Flow data is completely stable. We have optimal pressure.
Good. The new lines are holding perfectly.
Final clamp secure. Check the vibration sensor readout.
Looks good. All systems green for pre-validation spin. We'll start on the next row here.
Got it. Schematics are updated.
The torque on this red line needs to be exactly 65 foot-pounds.
Checked. Moving to the blue return manifold now.
Connection made. Performing tug test now.
Schematic shows continuity. Good to proceed.
Applying final torque now.
Humidity and temperature levels are stable. Green across the board.
The angle measurements are holding steady.
Confirmed. Calibration successful on the port actuator.
That should do it. Check the final sensor readings.
Checklist complete. All parameters are within tolerance.
Data streams are active. Check the auxiliary power coupling.
Confirmed. All systems are registering green.
Torque on sector 4, check the alignment.
Reading green, lead tech.
Initiating micro adjustment sequence on jack 3. Pressure stabilizing.
Reading confirmed. We are within tolerance.
Position at 30 feet. We have starboard drift. Correcting now. Bring it down slowly.
Initiating cycle sequence. Clear the bay.
Confirmed. Gear extending.
Full range of motion confirmed. Servo response is well within parameters.
Agreed. Telemetry looks clean across the board.
Ground control, this is AUV comms check. Radio functionality nominal. Do you copy? Copy that, AUV. Signal is clear. Awaiting deployment confirmation.
External power connected and secured. Green light steady on the receptacle.
Thrust stabilization complete.
Telemetry and guidance systems are fully calibrated, ready for deployment.
Clear the taxiway, increasing speed now.
Thumbs up, looking good back here. Keep it steady.
Flight inspection complete. Clear for takeoff.
Copy that.